2 महिन्यात बायंगिणी कोयर प्रक्रिया प्रकल्पाची निविदा काडटले. बायंगिणी गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट येतलोच. घनकोयर व्यवस्थापन मंत्री आतानासियो मोन्सेरातान पुनरुच्चार केला. तो म्हणटा ह्या प्रकल्पाक विरोध करप चालूच आसा. तरीकय ह्या प्लांटा खातीर गरजेचे सगळे परवाने सरकारा कडेन आसात. ऐकात.
जे लोक बायंगिणीच्या कोयर प्रक्रिया प्रकल्पाक विरोध करतात ते कोर्टांत गेल्यात. अधिकाऱ्यांनी हो प्रकल्प कायदेशीर मानला, देखून काम चालूच उरतलें. बायंगिणी ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट उबो रावतलोच, पणजेचो आमदार आनी घनकोयर व्यवस्थापन मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरातान सांगलें. ऐकात.
Taken a stand basically. Bangini plant is going to come on. Now the third, see, 2 tenders already had taken place. There was, I think, single bidder. So now that is the reason we are having a third tender. So the plant is going to come. It is a need of the hour.
But the MLA had been saying that he is not going to allow it.
See, we have got all the permission as far as the court. I understand what is his sentiments are there. He is basically talking because of the people, his people. He's trying to. But these same people basically had gone to the court and all, and we have got a clearance from all the courts. Now it is pending actually in the Supreme Court, but no stay basically has been given. So our process basically will go on.
So how much time it will take now? For when you are saying that you are going
now within 2 months time the tender should come.
The plant will come over.
Sorry.
What about the
plant is going to come over.
What about the opposition from the people? The locals over there, they are opposing it.
These same people, whoever is objecting, they had gone to the court and they went to different authorities also to basically to stall the plant. But basically courts and the other authorities have taken no heed
So
to that.
you are saying that the legal you have got the legal.
We have got all the legal clearance.
And you all are going ahead.
We are going ahead. Reply itself is there. If you go to see, you just check my reply in anyone who I think the MLA itself has raised the issue. I have told him the plant has got to come. Then will be coming.
So suppose you
and it is not. See, he has been MLA now. It has been a process, a long ago process. So it is usually no one should basically blame the MLA for.
So suppose you force stiff opposition from the people.
We have got a clear. We have got all clearance, whatever is required to set up the plant from all the authorities also. So there is no question.
XML is also opposing. So
I don't know who was opposing or who is the thing, but I am just trying to. We have it was proposed earlier that plant is going to take place.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.